Alright, so let's talk about how to properly describe things. Over here, you can see a cat, right? How do you describe the cat? What do you notice? You notice that the cat is small. You notice that the cat is also cute, or you may not say cute. You may say the cat looks fierce. You may also notice that the cat is black. These are all things we notice about the cats. So when we say describe something, we're saying, what do you notice about this thing? What do you notice about this? And you might notice anything. Generally, whatever you notice is what we call describing, or we call them adjectives. All right. Now, here is a quick tip. I have two tips for us today. This is one I discovered. I'm not saying someone else haven't discovered it. I'm just saying that I realized that adjectives tends to follow certain order. And here is one. The something is very something. Whatever gets into this space is an adjective. For example, in this case we say the cat. The cat is very what? You can say the cat is very black. You can say the cat is very small. You can say the cat is very cute. You can say the cat is very fierce. The cat is very. Just tell me something you notice about the cat. You see, you're going to put this in here, and it's an adjective. The cat is very this. Now, if you say the cat is very small, you can also rewrite it as the small cat. So the other tip is the something something. Now, the something something, whatever enters here is also an adjective. The small cats, the big cats, the big man, the big woman, the young boy, whatever enters into this space is also an adjective. So these are the two tips I've mentioned so far. This is the first one, and here is the second one. This will help you to identify if something is an adjective. If you want to know whether, for example, the word loud is an adjective, you just put it here. The loud name, maybe man, the loud man. Does it make sense? Yes, it makes perfect sense. Okay, put it here. The man is very loud. Does it make sense? Yes, it makes sense. So loud is an adjective. How about another word like interesting? Does it fit into this? The interesting cat. Does it make sense? It does. The cat is very interesting. It also makes sense. So interesting is an adjective. Now, how about words like love? The love cat. Doesn't make sense. The cat is very love. Doesn't make sense. So love is not an adjective. However, you can say the lovely cat. You can say the cat is very lovely. It makes sense. Alright, and the final tip for us today, when we need to use more than one adjective, we generally move from the subjective to the objective, from what you think about the object to what you know about the object. You mention what you think first, you mention what you know last. So if you want to mention both the size and the color, you mention the size first. Because in a sense the size is objective, but the color is objective. Everybody knows. So you're going to mention the color last. The small black cat.